Today, schools generate a wealth of information related to our children's education. Have you ever wondered how to use it more efficiently?
What is the eSchool?
The eSchool is an ecosystem of digital services for education that helps meet the goals of all stakeholders, policymakers, schools, students, and parents. To return the investment, policymakers have to allocate money for education in accordance with the country's strategic goals. The schools are therefore given the ultimate goal of ensuring an equal quality of the teaching process. It should be achieved by transferring adequate knowledge and skills and by evaluating student performance as objectively as possible. Also, parents and students are asking themselves, what is my child's potential? Where does he see himself in the future? Which educational path to choose? How to set personal goals? The eSchool helps them all to achieve these goals. The eSchool is a powerful tool for management of study-related information, analytics, and reporting. All student data are kept in a unified and systematic way. It allows policymakers to efficiently measure performance and make decisions with only one click. The eSchool makes the job easier for teachers as well. The eSchool provides them with time-saving automated reporting that helps evaluate student progress. It speeds up and simplifies communication with parents. School managers get their own benefits using eSchool ecosystem. Daily, weekly, monthly, and annual reports are prepared for them to help improve the quality of teaching, the safety of students and teachers, and fulfill their obligations to policymakers. Parents get information about their children's progress automatically via mobile platforms, about absences and absence notices, to raise the level of safety, grades and other records, home assignments and lesson descriptions, timetables, reports, and more.
The eSchool is a multilingual web service that can be accessed on computer or smartphone with the highest level of security and integrity of all data.
Feel free to join our community of more than 1,700 schools, 100,000 teachers, and more than 1 million students.
We are committed to make entire educational experience inspiring, amusing, and more productive.